Hi friends, I am Krishna Mohan. So today this is the continuation class for the output functions, that is the print function. Okay, so I am using PyCharm, okay, to demonstrate the class. Okay, we already discussed about the print with no arguments, print with string str as the argument, okay, string arguments, and we have already discussed about the print with the variables, how to which concatenate the variables, okay, and how to use the attribute scp separate to separate the variables, use the separator, okay. Um and we have already used the end attribute also, okay. So today we are going to learn about the print, sorry, print with object, okay, as the argument, okay, object as the argument. So uh, let's go to, okay, in this, okay, what is the object in Python? Everything is an object, so we will take some list. L is equal to list, so it should be in square brackets. So values 1 comma or 2 comma, sorry, 2 comma 3. So of course some values I have taken, okay, and I will be taking a tuple, okay. T is equal to, tuple will be of round brackets, okay, some 4 comma 5 comma 6, okay, right. Okay, so and I will be taking one set also, some 7 comma 8 comma 9, okay. So is equal to, so I have taken three objects over here, okay. um, how to print these objects? What happened? Right. Okay, so print, how will you print it? L, the same way tuple, run it, right, it has been printed. See here, okay. So you can take an object and we can print it, okay. Sir, can we how can add two means objects, means concatenate it? The same way we have to use comma, comma t comma s, okay, run it, right, space. Sir, but I don't want a space, sir. Replace space with some comma, sir. So I have to use attribute scp is equal to comma, okay, comma, okay. Sir, I wanted to print a string next to it, okay, print it. So hello, okay, hello Python, okay, right. Sir, I want to print both the things in the same line, but with a separator of semicolon, sir. So if I run it like this, then what will happen? We printed in different line, but I wanted the same line, but separated with semicolon, sir. So we have to use the attribute and. And is equal to, 1 second, comma, and is equal to a semicolon. See here. So this all things we have learned it. Okay. Then, sir, now this is how the object uh, can be used in the print method. Okay, or the print function. Okay, sir. Okay, then going to the next thing, print print with formatted string, with formatted string. Okay, TTAD. Okay. So how to you how what is this, sir? So let us take the new one. Okay, so I will be taking variables over here. Name is equal to uh, Mohan. Uh, some age is equal to some age, some 60. Okay. Okay. Address is equal to uh, or okay, some AP. Okay, these are some of the means variables which I have declared it, and I wanted to print my name is Mohan. I am 60 years old. I live in AP. Okay, like that I wanted to uh, print. So what I have to do? Print. So here the variables are being added in between the string. Okay, so to add the variables, okay, in between the string, that is what is formatting the string. Okay, uh, we have to use some what you call key attributes such as percentage. mm, for any integer value, percentage I, or we can also use percentage D. Okay, for int type, percentage F for float type, percentage S for string type. Okay, or str type. So here first I want what I want. My name is Mohan. So it is a string, no. My name is Mohan. So Mohan is a string. So what I have to use? Percentage. Yes. Then after that there should be comma. My after comma space. My age is. So is it a what is 60? It is an integer. So percentage I and my or I live in AP. AP is a string, so percentage yes. Okay. Now what I have to do? Comma. Now I have to mention the variables. So in other languages we will be using comma. Okay, but here there is no need of comma. Okay, there is no need of comma. You should not use comma. Okay. What we have to do? We have to enter the variable names. Before that we have to use percentage. Okay, in the round brackets we have to mention name. First, what is the percentage as this? What is this variable? Name. Name, comma, age. Order is important over here. Okay, depending on this order only, those values will be taken. Okay, okay, this string will be formatted. Okay, then add. Okay, so let us see. So here we have to use these things. Okay, for percentage s means for string, percentage I means for integer values, or we can use percentage d also for integer type. Okay, and a percentage f is for float. Okay, suppose um, mm, my sal. Okay, sal is equal to some. Okay, some float value. Here I will be adding that one also. Um, but I wanted to print in next line. So what I have to use? Slash n my sal is percentage f. Okay, but that present that has to be mentioned here also. No, salary. Salary is after age, so after age sal. Okay, let's run it. See here. Okay, I have mentioned space over here. Run it. Okay, my name is Mohan. Okay, my age is 60. Okay, my salary is okay. It is a float value, that's why it has given so many zeros. Okay, already I have explained this thing while discussing about the data types. Okay, okay, what you call the um, data types. Okay, so I live in okay. This is how we are for using formatted string. Okay, in the print. Okay, I hope you understood, sir. In the other languages, we have not used this what you call round brackets. Simply we used to give the ampersands in ampersand variable names like that. No, so like that here also you can give percentage name, comma percentage age. Okay, we'll try that also. See here, percentage a, percentage. Sorry, percentage age, percentage salary. What is it showing? This bracket has to be removed. No, we'll run it. See here, what error it is giving? Type error. Okay, so we have to use comma, sir. See here, I am using comma and I will be checking it. It is showing it syntax error. Okay, okay. So we should not use like this. Okay, like in other languages. If it is only one variable is there, then it is okay. Okay, shall. Okay, right. Okay. Uh, so we can add some means objects also. This is also an object, but like a list. Okay, you can do it. Suppose I will be taking a list over here. L is equal to 50, 60, some 80. L means some marks. Okay. Here in the next line I wanted to print. So what I have to do? I have to use when my marks are like what you have to use, sir. Here you have to use, because for integer, okay, percentage I or percentage d, for float percentage f, for string percentage s. Then for what is for list, what we have to use, sir? We have to use the percentage s only. Percentage s. So here, okay, marks. Run it. Okay. So in this way we can use it. Okay. In the next class we will be discussing more the most important thing. Okay. uh, in print, okay, in print method or print function.